I'm back with another video. This is Panita, and actually I'm gonna make a video on apple cannoor. You might be wondering what is apple cannoor. Apple cannoor are these parrots. These are really big parrots. Not that big, these are small. They don't have teeth, stomach and mouth. That's it. As you can see over here, there are a lot of them. As you can see, there are a lot of them. As you can see, there are different mutations and colors. Mutation means there are different names like apple cannoor, blue cannoor, sun cannoor, sun chick. They also don't have chicks because it's the summer. And as you can see, these are apple cannoors. And those green ones are blue cannoor, and those yellows and orange ones are sun cannoor. So that's all from my side, and if you want to see more videos like these, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like. Bye.